Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about design pattern in Java, abstract factory pattern. So abstract factory pattern says that just define an interface or abstract class for creating families of related or dependent objects but without specifying their concrete subclasses. That means abstract factory, let's say class returns a factory of classes. So this is the reason that abstract factory pattern is one level higher than factory pattern. An abstract factory pattern is also known as Git. So advantage of abstract factory pattern. Abstract factory pattern isolates the client code from the concrete implementation classes, and it eases the exchanging of object families, and it promotes consistency among objects. Usage of abstract factory pattern. When the system needs to be independent of how its objects are created, composed, and represented. When the family of related objects has to be used together, then this constraint needs to be enforced. When you want to provide a library of objects that does not show implementations and only reveals interfaces. When the system needs to be configured with one of a multiple family of objects.